We're here at the Bay Hotel.
Elevator is going up.
I don't know if these are key carded. Oh, it works. Oh, wait.
Yeah, only two.
Two only? Seriously?
Yep.
Dang it.
Floor 2.
Hey, there's,
Floor 2.
oh, there's hand sanitizer. Sweet.
Alright, looks like we can only go to one.
Yep.
Yeah, pretty much.
Elevator is going down.
The cell's not working.
That's key card.
Yeah, they're key carded. After you?
Go ahead.
Maybe one of the others work. Alright, let's try these.
Nice gas.
How you not go all the way up? Nope. Trying to make it.
There we go. Two works on this one, so.
Why is there an alarm on?
Oh, that's a Schindler thing on these models.
Oh, okay. I'm just starting to think. Two.
Oh, this one's still under construction.
Oh, they're under construction. That's why.
Oop. These are nice.
Yes.
Yeah, these newer Schindler models on Primer actually has these same buttons.
Yes, yes. I was about to say that.
Not sure what are those bad?
How far does it go?
Third time a charm?
Elevator is going
Oh,
up.
wait. 4?
Yeah, I gotta scan you up here.
Okay.
Oh, man, this won't work without a key. Sorry about that.
Oh.
Floor 4.
Alright, let's go down on the left here.